As an enterprise firstly focusing on R&D and production of e-bike waterproof connector, Higo has made connection extremely perfect. Higo has built its own R&D and design center to attract many well-known experts and talents in the automobile industry. They enjoy innovation to have diverse ideas on connectors via the unique thinking. They are inspired by each other to convert ideas to designs. Thousands of discussions and numerous trials are oriented by customer service. More perfect and personalized solutions show customers the value of Higo. Higo gives us more possibilities when the design released to workshop for manufacturing. Frontline staffs make a perfect integration of experience and advanced equipment. Starting from the beginning, before the design from R&D department, the unique and thorough evolution is conducted. Higo uses the precipitation and accumulation to build the unique quality control system and construct the supply network for quality assurance. With the label of Pass, the finished product is officially completed, followed by packaging, warehousing, and delivery. Each step is high efficient. These finished products in the carriage start their wonderful journey. Bring an instant product experience for Higo's customers around the world. Higo is determined to become the benchmarking enterprise in the area of connector R&D and production, and makes every effort to design and produce the best connector. We are looking forward to realize the goal.